Isang magandang Lunes sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na po kayo sa boses ko, no? At ako'y sa totoo lang po, tinamaan po ako ng COVID. Pero ikakwento ko po sa inyo mamaya yung aking nararamdaman at kung yung aking handling ng management ng virus na ito. Ito po ang January 10, 2022 edition ng The Stock Market Today. Kamusta po kayo? Are you COVID-free pa? Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news, ang main news po natin actually is tungkol sa Manila Water at Maynilad, pero very short lang po yun. But more than that, I wanted to share some aspects by or given by BDO Securities, like their weekly wrap at saka yung strategy and economics nila tungkol sa COVID, which maganda pong malaman din po ninyo at napakaganda po nung ating discussion today. Okay po. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 10, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Sige po, ang ating financial headlines ay courtesy of BDO Securities. Lakihan lang po natin to. Unemployment rate eases in November but job quality worsens. Nasa alert level 3 na po ang Metro Manila. Ano po? Economy to lose 3 billion each week with NCR Plus under alert level 3. Alert level 4 looms due to surging COVID-19 cases. Itong headline na ito, hindi ko to maintindihan. Kasi nasa alert level 3 ngayon eh. Pero alert level 4, di ba dapat mas maluwag yun? Anyway, or mas mahigpit na alert level 4 kesa before. Sa akin naman kasi is you have to maintain you have to be consistent eh. Kundi nakakalito na talaga eh. Di ba? So, ito yung ating main news. President Duterte signs revised water concession agreement between, I think, Manila Water and Maynilad. Then NLEX plans 3 project completions this year. BDO sees loan portfolio growth 8 to 12% this year. So this is our main news. President Duterte signs revised concession agreements. President Duterte signed Republic Act 11600 and 11601 last December 2021. These laws grant new 25-year franchises to Maynilad Water, and Manila Water Company. Under the revised concession agreement, allowing the 2 water concessionaires to establish, operate, and maintain for commercial purposes in the public interest a waterworks system to ensure uninterrupted adequate supply potable water, and I think this is within the Metro Manila region and I think some nearby provinces. Ano? So ang commentary po dito ni BDO Securities ay the 25-year franchise period extend beyond the 15-year period of the revised concession agreement, which gives the concessionaires the opportunity to extend the concession term subject to the approval of the MWSS. We have a neutral for MWC, and we prefer Maynilad parent MPI, considering the latter's stronger upside potential. Okay. So, just like I said, yan po yung ating news for the day, but more than that, I'd like to share with you this one. Ito yung weekly wrap niya. yung Philippine Composite Index is down to the 7,000 level. Ito po yung pinaka-support level na sinasabi natin. Yung market analysis nyo dito, ang sabi niya dito in the first bullet ay nagkaroon ng ongoing surge of COVID-19, and that's why the government may return to disruptive lockdown, and that's what's causing a bearish market, a bearish index and a bearish market. Meanwhile, BSP's accommodative stance, nagtatighten yung mga central bank on their monetary policy, and yung dollar peso is forecast to be at 52.25, from 50.70 to 51 pesos. Now, because of the COVID-19 uncertainties, we think that investors will likely to shift towards consumer staples. Ito, Monde, CNPF, URC, Pure Gold, and Telcos Converge and Tel, Power Utilities, AP, and MER, or sectors which have shown resilient earnings despite the pandemic. Ito yung mga stocks to watch. AEV, JGS, AP, ito yung nag-show ng upside. Si MER din ay nag-show ng upside. Ang Telcos ay mixed, Tel is up, while Go and Converge are down. RHHI and Pure Gold ay bumagsak din. ASEN ay bumagsak, likely due to speculations of a possible removal from the PSE index in this upcoming February rebalancing, with the stock's free float currently at 16%. Ito yung mas mababa pa sa 20% requirement ng PSEI, We are neutral on ASEN. Okay. Investors continue to rotate on Ali, RLC, SMPH, MEG, and Bank SECB, MBT amid the COVID-19 surge. We continue to prefer property names, Ali and MEG. We also continue to favor banks, BPI and MBT. Also, sama niya na po dyan ang BDO. Hindi lang nila masabi dahil sila ay BDO. Okay? Okay, so yan po ang weekly wrap. And then another that I wanted to share with you is this. Ito yung strategy and economics. Yung COVID-19 concerns re-emerge. COVID-19 infection surge. So, ang sabi niya dito ay tumaas at mayroong concern na magkakaroon na naman ng disruptive lockdowns, pero dininay na po yan ng DILG. The Interagency Task Force or IATF ay nilagay ang Metro Manila sa Alert Level 3 until January 15, and other countries are currently experiencing similar surges. Expanding vaccination coverage has helped mitigate severe COVID-19 outcomes. 45% of the population is fully vaccinated at 2021 with target 80. Okay. Alam niyo, tama po itong number 3, Expanding vaccination coverage has helped mitigate severe COVID-19 outcomes. Noong Wednesday po, ay sinamahan ko po ang aking misis kasi my wife was having flu-like symptoms, and the recommendation of the doctor was to have a swab test. Sinamahan ko siya dito sa isang hospital sa Parañaque. And ako na rin nagpa-swab as a precaution, So, pumila po kami. Actually, pinark ko po yung kotse. Misis ko nasa kotse. Ako po yung nag-fill up ng form. Pumunta po ako sa front ng hospital at nag-fill up ng form. At tapos nag-aantay ng swab test. And then, na-swab kami siguro 9:30, mga 11 o'clock. And I went nung alam kong parating na po yung magsaswab na medical technologist, kinuha ko na po yung kotse. I went to the front and sa kotse po kami sinwab. We went home. Nung gabi, Wednesday po yan, I was experiencing flu-like symptoms. Siguro nahahawa ako sa flu ng misis ko. Ngayon, sabi nung hospital, 48 hours. So, Wednesday. So, Friday, nagpa-follow up na ako. Wala. The following day, dumating yung result. Nakuha ng misis ko yung result ko. Alam nyo ba? Positive. Sabi ko, ha? Positive ako? Pero ang feeling ko is, para lang akong sinisipon. Alam niyo yun? Sinisipon, stuffy nose, sore throat, occasional sneezing and cough. Ganon. Pero, yung breathing problems, wala. Diarrhea, wala rin. Lately na lang yung diarrhea. Kaninang madaling araw. But wala. Basically, wala. Wala yung breathing or walang ano. Parang sinisipon ka lang na may konting sinat. Yan, sinisinat ako. Ang solution lang dyan, paracetamol, which we had. Meron kami. And then, pina-follow up ko naman yung sa misis ko, no? Dumating kahapon. Sunday. Positive din. Pero, alam nyo ba, nung Friday, Saturday, ano na siya eh. Wala nang lagnat, wala na yung sipon, wala na, normal. Normal na si misis. Sabihin, natapos na yung kanyang sakit, ano? Nalaman na niya, COVID pala yun. Anyway, ako nung nagkaroon kami ng symptoms na gano'n, nag-quarantine kagad kami. So, ako sa isang kwarto dito sa baba, siya sa taas, yung anak ko sa isang kwarto, yung isang kasama namin sa bahay, sa isang kwarto. Tigi-tigi sa kaming kwarto, in other words. Nagka-face mask kami, etc. Nung malamang COVID positive ako. At, if you are fully vaccinated, thank God, no? Nagpa-vaccinate po kami. Ako, si Mrs. Ako at saka anak ko, fully vaccinated po kami, plus may booster po ako nung December. Si Mrs. po, fully vaccinated po siya. She's due for booster. Pero naunahan po siya nung COVID eh. Pero just the same, if you are fully vaccinated, wala, hindi ka severe, mga friends at mga subscribers, hindi po severe. Akala mo lang, tinamaan ka lang ng sipon o trangkaso, no? Kung meron lagnat, may trangkaso. And it's very manageable. So, magpabakuna po kayo, magpa-booster shot na po kayo, kung due na po kayo, okay po yun. Tamaan naman kayo ng COVID, hindi po kayo ma-hospital. Diyan lang po kayo sa bahay. At it's very manageable. Ang sabi nga ng doktor ko is yung aking pamangkin eh. Tito, 10 days lang ang quarantine from the onset of the symptoms. Tapos magpa-test uli kayo, and then kung negative na po kayo, magaling na kayo. Yun lang naman. So anyway, it's very mild. Symptoms are mild and manageable. Okay po. So yun po ang ating news for the day and my testimony on the COVID-19. Okay po. Kaya po ako'y patuloy pa rin nag-share sa inyo ng aking stock market insights. Okay, before we go to the stock exchange, let me share with you yung ating mga new subscribers. Sisyo the Vlogger, Eric Art, and then sabi po ni Enrico Gonzalez, Biyernes na sir, Friday, Bloody Friday. Yes sir. Tapos sabi ni Jinrex, thank you po for religiously sharing. I really find your insights helpful in investing and trading and I watch reviews daily. Pwede pong pakireview ang RRHI, BPI, AP. And can you share your insights sa Figaro IPO? So sige po, unahin po natin itong mga stocks na request po ninyo. Pero yung sa Figaro, tingnan niyo po yung aking December 29 episode. I have an episode there on Figaro which I got from Business World. So from there po, you can make an evaluation already. Po, newspaper article po yung aking kinuha from there. Okay po, so that's it. So let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So let's take a look at what happened to the PSCI. Uy, maganda-ganda ang resulta ngayon, ha? 129 points up or 1.85%. 7140.67 po yung closing ng ating Philippine Stock Market Index. and it's a green engulfing candlestick just above or just a few points shy of our EMA 50 and EMA 100. Yan po. And yung ating market summary naman po ay 110 companies advanced, 64 declined, while 53 remained unchanged. The all-share index also advanced by 1.45%. All our sectoral indices are in the black. Pagka sinabi ko pong in the black, kapareho lang po yun ng in the green. Kasi originally po in the black means positive eh. Meaning, nasa plus side po siya. In the red ay nalulugi po or natatalo. In the black, panalo po siya. So, yung sectorals are in the black, and this was led by properties at 2.78%, followed by the financials at 2.76%. So we will be reviewing our most active stocks, but we will be prioritizing your request. So it will be RRHI, BPI, AP, SPNEC, MBT, and positive naman tayo ngayon, SECB. Okay. So let's now go to our technical analysis. RHI po muna tayo. Yan, may recovery po si Robinson's Retail Holdings. Actually po, nasa ano po tayo dito? Nasa support level, ano po? Ito po yung pinaka-support niya. Yan, nasa 55.12. Ang pinaka-support. Pero bearish pa rin po siya. But the good thing is the stock ended green, gaining 2.55 points or 4.68% up, ano po. Pero in general, ang pagbasa po natin dito ay bearish dahil yung candlestick po nasa taas eh. Nandyan po. Yan po siya. So masasabi po natin na yung next kailangan po ma-break po muna yung tumaas po muna siya sa EMA 100 o ma-pass niya muna yung moving average, ano, para masabi po natin na nabe-break na po siya. Ngayon, RSI, the previous trading day was 24, meaning oversold. And true enough, there was a reversal today. So, ang pinakamalapit po na resistance, tingnan natin. Ito po yung nakikita kong pinakamalapit. Nandito po sa area to. Yan, sa 59 to 60 pesos po ang pinaka-next resistance level ni RRHI. Okay, but it's still bearish. So, after RRHI, ICBPI naman. Mukhang nag-recover din tong si BPI. Yan, okay, green engulfing candlestick. And yung EMA 50 po is acting as our support. Yan po, EMA 50 po nasa 91. So, yan po ang pinaka-support natin. Now, if we will be drawing a parallel channel po tayo. Yan. So, let's follow the channel of the EMA 50 and we push this up and see. Yan, okay. So, that's the upper channel would be our resistance, di ba? And the lower channel would be our support. So, EMA 100 po is our support at 88.97 or almost 89. Ngayon, yung ating resistance ay nandito po sa area to. So, masasabi po natin na ito po, nasa 96 to 97 po yung ating resistance level for BPI. And in general po, it is being rejected or it was rejected at the EMA 50 level at 90. Yun po, na-plot na po natin yung resistance. Nasa 96 to 97 po, more or less yung kanyang pinaka-resistance. And yung RSI po natin is above 50, meaning bullish, naging bullish na po si BPI with the trading today, but this is on a short-term basis lang po. And then, Aboitiz Power, tingnan natin si Aboitiz. Okay, naka-recover din siya, but in general, ang tingin ko dito, yung evaluation ko on the candlestick ay sideways pa rin, ano, ang movement, but it is an engulfing green candlestick gaining 3.58%. So yung kanyang closing price ay just hovering above or hovering within the area of EMA 20 and EMA 50. And in general, it has been moving sideways. In the meantime, yung pinaka-resistance natin ay lagay natin dito. Nasa area ito, nasa 32, more or less 32. Now, when I talk of support and resistances are not exact points. These are areas. Ngayon, yung RSI po natin nasa 48.91, almost at the midpoint. Yung kanyang RSI, while ang support natin, let's take MA100 or 29.71 as our support. So, yun po ang aking take for Aboitiz Power. Pero Aboitiz Power po is an index stock, ano? At maganda po yung fundamentals naman ni Aboitiz Power. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang fundamentals. Aboitiz Power, ang pinaka-target price po niya, nasa 42. Or more or less, a 40% upside. More or less po yun. So, dito 43, but this is yesterday's price or last Friday's price, ano po. So, mga 42 or 40 to 42% upside po si Aboitiz Power based on fundamentals. And then, our next stock, yan, okay, nag-bounce si Solar Philippines, ano? And yung ating support ay nandito po sa 115 to 117. And nakakakita po tayo ng rejection dito sa area to, no? 116 to 117 ang nakikita nating support area. Yan po yung previous resistance na naging support. Ngayon po, mukhang nagkakaroon na ng recovery itong si SPNEC, but it's still very early to tell and we don't have yet our data on the moving average. Wala pa pong 20 transaction days po ito. Pero based on a very thin data, ang ating pinaka-resistance po ay masasabi po natin nandito, nasa 136 po. 135 to 136 ang pinaka-resistance po ni Solar Philippines Nueva Ecija Corporation. But this appears to be a very resilient stock. Hindi kagad siya, well, nakikita natin this is a growth stock. Okay, after SPNEC, MBT naman tayo. See, okay, MBT continues to move up, and this is a green engulfing candlestick. Ngayon, let's take this let's take EMA 50 as our support. 51.82 po ang pinaka-support niya. Ngayon, ang pinaka-resistance, again, draw tayo ng parallel channel. Okay. Now, based on the parallel channel, while our support is at EMA 100, the resistance ay nandito po sa 57. More or less, yan po ay yung pinaka-resistance, ang next resistance level ni Metrobank. And the channel is moving upwards, meaning meron po siyang trend for the stock to move up. And based on the channel, there is an upward trend. Yan po ang aking nakikita dyan with our EMA 50 and EMA 100 under the candlestick. Finally, we have SECB. Naku, naka-recover si SECB from the support. Nagkaroon siya ng rejection dito sa support level na ito. Yan po, kasi meron pong support dito at na-prove siya dito. Nagkaroon siya ng rejection dito sa area nito. Sa 105.20 to 105.30 po nagkaroon po ng rejection. Kaya po nagkaroon ng green engulfing candlestick ngayon and there was a bounce gaining 6 pesos 90 centavos to end at 111. One of the highest po ito, no? 6.63, one of the highest gains or one of the highest gains for the PSE. However, this is still bearish, no? Kasi yung ating candlestick ay nasa itaas pa rin. Yan po. So, kailangan ay ma-breach po niya yung pinaka moving average natin, and yung pinaka resistance niya nasa 119 to 120 po yung next resistance. Medyo meron pa siyang tatrabahuhin dyan, no? Para ma-break yung bearish momentum ni security bank. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. January 10, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.